Tyndall Lock Picker here, TLP for short. What I have for you today is a Master Lock 30mm, hardened on the shackle. If I can get it to focus, you can see right here at the top, 30mm. This one I've actually got a key for. Not most locks. I'm going to use bottom of the keyway tensioning. The fact that this lock is so small, it can be tricky to get a good grip on it. Give me a second. Okay, let's try this. Single pin picking. Really? It just don't want to come open today. Oh, there we go. Got it open. Like I said, it can be tricky being a small lock. How tricky can it be, right? It's a master lock. But being small, it can be tricky. Like I said, I am a newbie, so show me some mercy. You got any tips? Leave them in the comments. Please. We're here to learn. We're here to get better and hone our skills. And with that, I'll end this like I end them all. Keep it safe, keep it legal, and good picking. TLP out.